Alright, well here we go. Father-son team are off down to Washington, D.C. See them Arcimotos and all the other EVs. You gotta tell them what we're gonna do today.
We're gonna go on a one-wheel ride all around Washington, D.C. and we're gonna look at all the monuments and have breakfast. Hello, I'm Anthony from Airblocks Anthony's channel, and we're at the U.S. Capitol. Right here in Washington, D.C.
Where are we going there, bud?
Right, so if we were here, we're going right here. We're going to the Washington Monument!
Cold.
I went to Washington, D.C. saw this giant Washington Monument and touched it! If you look up, you can see towards the middle that the brick color changes.
Where are we at, bud?
Washington, D.C.
What building is this behind you? Fenced off?
White House.
There you are. The auto show. There's the Arcimotos, and here we are at the lower level DC International Auto Show.
Oh, because the show organized a bicycle manufacturer. But they pulled out. So you're lucky. Very. Yeah. So they came. They called us like a month and a half ago. Yeah. We were originally going to do it on the floor. We were originally.
Come on, man, Miles and the Arcimoto gonna take us for a lap.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Can't do anything but an EV test ride inside. All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So here we are at the Arcimoto booth at the DC International Auto Show. They got all their versions here. We got the Deliverator, which is the one-seat version. Got your nice cargo in the back. Got the flatbed version over here. These arms extend out so you can get a bigger load. Cool thing about these, they're all on the same platform. So, you know, your Deliverator, your Rapid Responder, your Flatbed, your Roadster, it's all that same platform. Got almost a 20 kilowatt hour battery in here. Should get you close to 100 miles of range. The Roadster, which is the convertible motorcycle-esque style. Beautiful blue on that one. And there's your FUV, fun utility vehicle. Got the upgraded, I think, Corbin seats in there. What you think, Anthony? So here we are looking at the cockpit on the Roadster. Got your twist throttle, on, off, forward and reverse. This is a regen handle, and then you have a traditional full braking with the pedal.
This is our Roadster. It's like more like a Roadster.
What you think, bud? Ready to go for a ride?
I want to get one.
Me too, me too. Here we are getting in the cockpit of the flatbed. Same controls on all of them. It's like the same. A couple more buttons to prick from. Eco delivery over there. Yep. Got full coverage there. You can get half doors on these things. Beautiful ride. There's a lot of interest at the show. There's a lot of people around this booth here. Ah, stop it. Once over on some of the other EVs here, we got the Chevrolet Bolt, currently under recall by GM for battery issues. So we got the Ford Mustang there. That's a Mustang. Got the Nissan Leaf, which I've had 3 of over the years. The original one, this is the new version, obviously. Great car.
Wait, this is a Leaf?
And it looks like we got a Bentley over here. I'm assuming this is a plug-in hybrid. I doubt that's all electric. Got the Wrangler plug-in.
I want to get that.
I might have to give you my sale to get some money.
Back to the Mach-E Mustangs there. Got them plugged in under a solar canopy charger from Electrify America. Electrify America claiming the largest public DC fast charging network. So yeah, it looks like they're getting there. Not quite a supercharger status, but that's what we need, is more chargers. So CCS is the standard everyone seems to be going to, which is kind of like a J1772 with your DC fast charger on the bottom. The predecessor to that, the Chatamo, which you found on most Leafs, not even on this side. So the Chatamo is kind of slightly being retired. You want to film?
Yep.
I'm gonna let Anthony film a little bit. So yeah, just on the sign there, they're claiming over 700 charge stations nationwide right now. And they're putting more and more in. You know, quick charging, probably most of them are 50 kilowatt to start, and you know, getting up to 100, 150 probably on those. Supercharger networks 150 going to 250 and even 300 plus kilowatt now on some of the stations.
It just turned off.
No, it's still going. So that's actually a Polestar. I mistook that earlier.
We have one. I saw a car with the rims that are hearts.
All right, show me. Let's go see. Let's go see. This is a safety hazard. Yeah, it's not my thing, but it's there.
It's cool. All of these cars are cool.
Look at this. There's a Nissan Leaf for you. Look at that job. Here we are at the Polestar booth. Looks like the Polestar 2. Some specs. It's the first one I've seen in person. I believe it's a Volvo-based brand. All electric. A lot of the Tesla guys, I think, are getting these on lease or rental whenever their Teslas are breaking. They're clean looking cars. There's the Polestar 1 coupe. There you go, little frunk in the Polestar.
Send you the specs on this. I asked her to send me. Perfect, you got it. Okay.
Kia EV6. So Kia's getting in the electric game pretty good now, huh? Got that new logo. Shout out to my dude Paul back in Pittsburgh with the Kias. Let's get some of these EV6s going. Hyundai with a fuel cell, how about that? Hyundai Kona. There's an electric buggy for you. Sharp little ride. With the plug right on the front bumper there. 34. The Ioniq 5, calling that an SUV. 39 entry, 55 is shown. Nice looking front end.
it and look at the front.
It's kind of sharp. Look at that. Whoop. I just don't get how people can buy $100,000 brand new gas rods. It just seems like you should be buying electric if you're buying something new. Maybe that's just me. There's an EV for you. Everybody's got one now, huh? 2022 is the year. How about an electric bus, guys? I want one of these forever. This is a 2016 200 kilowatt hour battery, 1.6 hour charge. Wow, that's pretty quick. Half the battery's on the roof too.
Literally around the corner, and when we're referring to Electrify, that includes plug-in hybrid, hydrogen fuel cell, and even our hybrids that we've had that have been tried and true for over 2 decades. But to test your listening skills further, I mentioned the diagram directly behind you. It's got 2 electric motors, true or false? I saw your finger. Yes, that is true. And that's because that is the all-wheel drive, and that's wonderful to know you have the option of an all-wheel drive.
We got way less parts on an EV here, huh? Like the battery, the subframe there, nice low center of gravity, front rear motors. Not much to it, not much to go wrong, not much maintenance. Look at these little buggies, huh?
So there are the cars that have.
That's goof, huh? Rhombus.
Oh, it's like a
She is. Forward lightning. Yeah, I got the Karma electric, huh? I think it's a hybrid. Look at that. New rules, new rules.